Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Poco X4 GT device, and now I will show you the top 3 themes from Xiaomi themes store for this device, in my humble opinion, of course. So, in my case, in my opinion, the theme on third place, in my top, of course, is a theme that fully replicates the iOS design. It's called Style iOS. So to find this theme, you need to open a theme store and find here Style iOS. Choose first theme from the list. Click on free button to download it. Wait a while. And then click apply. Wait a while and cool. So, as you can see, it changed all the icons in the menu, on the home screen and even in the settings menu, so let's check it. As you can see, we have changed icons on our settings menu. About phone with Apple icon, okay, with Apple logo. So it's the third most popular theme on our top list. I think this theme is very good made, and I think this theme is comfortable to use. Yeah. So, but this is only third place. But now I will show you theme from second place. So open theme store and find theme clouds. So just type clouds and click search button. Scroll down and find cloud theme with only clouds icon. Click on it, wait a while, click on free button, wait a while, and then click apply. Click apply, and cool, as you can see, this theme also changed all icons on the home screen, change all icons on our menu, and it changed our wallpapers, our backgrounds. So the theme sets anime style backgrounds, and if you like light style themes, clear style themes, this theme was made special for you. So this theme has a second place on our top, but in first place is proudly the hydrogen ball theme. This theme is incredible, but I need to show you how to find it. To find the theme, you need to set uppercase letters and type hydrogen ball. Find the theme and install and apply. So I think this theme is the best theme from Xiaomi theme store, because this theme is really incredible. It redraws not only the system icons, but this theme redraws widgets too. It will give your smartphone a new lease of life. The new colors not only do not interfere, but also contribute to comfortable use of your smartphone. This theme makes colors on your system smoothly and lighter. This theme change your lock screen. You can You can change your lock screen style on your lock screen using this theme. So you can choose dark theme, you can choose light theme. So it's really great. But you need to know, if you want to unlock your device, you need to swipe from left to right, not from bottom to top, but only from left to right. And confirm your pattern, and that's it. So that's it. If you like any of the themes shown, write us about it in the comments, and if you use any other theme and think it's better than the one we showed you today, then by all means write us about it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Bye.